Courtney hasn't even fallen over yet.
Can't believe
We
it.
did a good job.
We did.
What's up, guys? Good to have you here on the Mr.DiGG channel. So we got a special one for you today. Our new friends Mason and Whitney. That's Mason, that's Miss Whitney. They were super kind enough to build us a brand new blessing box to replace this one who has seen its better days. So check this new bad boy out, man. That looks awesome. You guys did a fantastic job, man. This was so kind of y'all to build this. Not only build it, donate all the stuff, and drive 3 hours to come down here to deliver it. I mean, that's just fantastic.
So cool. It's beautiful too.
Doesn't it look good?
Oh.
I mean, I probably could have done it, you know. I probably could have. But
Got some sweet magnets in there too.
wow, dude, that's awesome. And you said you got most of the materials out of
My roll-off can.
out of your roll-off can. So
Nice.
Mason's got a roll-off business, Lansing, soon to be Lane. What was the official?
Property Solutions.
Lane Property Solutions.
Yeah.
And what town in Georgia?
We're in Claremont, Georgia.
In Claremont, Georgia. Man, we sure do appreciate you guys. That was such a nice gesture for you guys to do. I just
And beautifully done too.
Right?
I mean,
all painted up and
goodness.
pretty.
The magnets.
Looks
Just
This
awesome.
even started making us think about our own community.
Yeah.
That our own community don't really have anything like this too, so it might start
Really?
something up for us
Oh, I
to
love
That's-
that.
do that in our own town.
Yeah, it
love
really
it.
has, you know, just spurred a lot of folks on, you know, down here, even
Yeah.
to this area, to bring more food, and that's what we're hoping is this kind of creates the ripple effect, like we talk, where people just help out, and it really means a lot to us. So thank you guys so much.
Absolutely. Thank y'all.
And so what we're going to do, we're going to rip the old one out, throw it in the back of the truck, give it a proper burial at the landfill here in a little bit after we get the new one set up. So y'all hang out with us. Yeah, and speaking of pulling stuff out of the trash, somebody got a skateboard out the other day and left it.
I know, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I will take that home.
You
I know
say
it's-
that every time, and you dig crap out of the landfill, put it in my truck, and then it stays there.
I know.
What
And
am I
then your
gonna
house
do with
looks
you,
like
dude?
Sanford and Son.
It does look like
Love it.
Sanford and
It's
Son.
addictive.
All right, well, let's see if we can't get this old one out, throw it in the back of the truck. I'm gonna get my power planter out. We're gonna drill some new holes. Mason brought some concrete and some 4x4 posts. We'll get the new one mounted up and be good to go. Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, I didn't think that'd be too hard. When Courtney and I first pushed on it that day and I heard that crack, that's when I was like, that's not good.
She's a little rotted.
Yeah, a little bit. All right, well, let me get out of the way and we'll drill some holes, slap the new one up. All right, what you thinking, bud?
So what I'm thinking is we could lean this back.
Yeah.
And we can go ahead and attach the legs to it, get
Okay.
a measurement, and then go ahead and drill our
And drill
holes
it, yeah. All
off
right.
our measurements, and then
Well, you the professional on this project, man. So whatever you say, buddy. Dude, that is a good looking box, man.
don't mind our road where my son painted.
Oh, was that his road?
Yeah, he painted on his road on some plywood,
Nice.
so-
That's my grandmother's name.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Whenever you guys get done, we're gonna make a video over here. All right. So what's the plan, boss?
So when this thing was on the sawhorse, it was about 35 inches off the ground. I
Yeah.
think that's like the perfect height.
Okay.
So what I need to do is figure out what I need to cut these down to.
Yep.
Thinking about attaching them both right here.
In the center.
And
Okay.
then we'll come back with another 2x4 on each side,
Yep.
sandwich it, and timber lock it. Maybe do a few kickoff.
That sounds
races.
really professional, Mason. I like it. I like it. That's kind of like what me and Courtney sound like when we're working
That was
together,
our
you know.
technique,
Lots
pretty
of
much.
technical jargon
That's
and
right.
super big words and but yeah, that sounds like a plan to me, dude.
Drill one of them.
I can, sure. Yeah,
Let's drill
let me
one
do
of
it.
them and see.
I love it.
That thing's impressive.
Oh, it's awesome, man. And it has a 9-inch auger too for like planting 3-gallon
Yeah.
shrubs.
Okay, I think that one's good.
Okay.
So, we know we can get this about 24 inches.
No, it's been awesome for planting, but it's got a special clutch in it, so when you do hit roots, it doesn't twist you around because that's a 60-volt DeWalt, and that thing's got some power. One of these days, I'm gonna get me a DeWalt sponsorship, Mason.
I hope so. Definitely need you one of these though.
Oh, I do, man.
This thing's sweet.
They make some good stuff. Is that 20 or 60?
60 volts.
60 volt, yeah. So instead of saying like fractions, you're supposed to say 2 marks before this
I was gonna give
number
you a
or
hard time
something
about
like that, you know?
Yeah. 29.
two marks before.
Past the half.
Yeah.
I can teach you how to read tape measure.
Okay, yeah, that'd be great. We'll get a lesson on that today.
right.
I need it.
It's pretty good.
That ain't moving, Bubba. Nicely done. Yeah, that's really secure in there. So that's what you're calling the timber locks, just those giant screws.
Yep. Timberlock, them things are awesome.
Yeah.
That's how you would have done it, Ryan.
Exactly. Yeah. And it's a cool word too, timber lock.
Timberlock.
Hey, and hopefully Coco will have to go get some more water for us for the concrete.
I needed a hose to, you know, rinse it out, all the little grooves. Go over here and ask if they've got a hose. And they did not. They had a pitcher, and so I just
A watering
just
can.
fill it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was a school, so they're like, what is this
Yeah,
crazy
they're like-
lady coming over here?
Yeah, they're like, ma'am, can we
help you?
Yeah.
You
Why are you here?
We might have to go in the box building business.
We might have, well, you might have to. I do pretty good at holding this 4x4 though.
I guess it'd have been smart to bring a hammer. Don't let D-Walt see this.
There goes your warranty.
Yeah. Down just a little bit more.
Okay.
26 inches.
All right, 26.
Center.
We can handle that. Uh-oh, I found some rocks. Should be pretty close, Mason.
Oh yeah.
Is that her?
That's her.
Fantastic. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just a slightly. We'll put some in this hole. Look at that, man! Almost like we know what we're doing. Well, Mason will have to find some crunch of vision elsewhere, I guess, because as we're sitting here, this fella wants this one. He's gonna redo it and put up another blessing box. So you can't argue with that. You want to get one so you get the front. Yes, sir. See what you can do with it. How about that?
That looks good right there.
That does look good, man.
That's good.
Almost like it was meant to go there. I love the color on it too. It looks a lot more natural. I mean, it looks great.
So good.
That's so cool that other fella wanted that old box, man, and he's gonna put it to use.
I love it. I
I
love
do
it. I
too.
mean, it was perfect timing. He
Yeah.
said he was trying to build one for his church, and he was struggling with it. Somebody was supposed to help him, and didn't.
Yeah.
And so
We know all
That's
about the struggle,
beautiful.
don't we, darling?
We do. We do indeed.
The struggle is real.
His struggle is real.
All right, watch out behind your back, Miss Coco. Mason's gonna bring in some
Oh, sweet.
concrete,
Okay.
and then hey, we are gonna need some water. Seriously,
Okay, you want to go talk to my friends over here?
need some water?
we may.
I can check and see with them and see.
me know.
Okay, I
Okay.
sure will. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me get out of the downwind position for once. Wonderful. Great job, Coco.
Thank you.
You are straight
Don't
killing it
try
right
this
now.
at home. They remembered me, by the way. They're like, you're from last time, right? They're
Hey, that
absolutely-
crazy lady's here again.
Yeah.
How'd you get into the roll-off business, Mason?
It's something I've always wanted to do. We had a remodeling business, and
Right.
I was always renting them and using dump trailers. So it's like, why not use my own?
Oh.
So
That's how things begin, man.
that's right.
I'm really good at this.
You are good at that, but you're damn broke.
Uh-oh.
You're damn broke, Coco.
Good.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
This thing ain't going nowhere.
Pretty.
It is, ain't it? It's nice.
I want to put something. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm
You're
just gonna do
just
it.
gonna do it.
And I'll tell you guys after I do it.
All right, we like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little something special.
A surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to fill her up now. We got some stuff to put in it today, but then we'll have to go make another store run soon
That's right.
and get her filled up. What you thinking?
Think about putting a little kickoff brace.
Yeah. You're supervising. Make sure he does it right, Whitney.
I just watch.
Hey, you stand on the same side of stuff I do. Downwind. Yep.
A little 16-inch maybe, and see how that works.
Yeah, that'll add a lot to it right there. Boy knows what he's doing. Shoot, yeah. Looks great.
And just seeing, I don't know, just people seeing that somebody took the time to make something this nice, you know,
Yeah.
for something that's going to help them out.
Show them that
It's
people
little stuff
actually
like
care.
That
goes a long way, man.
It does.
I built our house.
Okay, well, there you go.
That's a thing.
All right, so maybe he's a little bit more knowledgeable than me. Oh, you even have a handle?
Going to Mason's truck like it's what
Y'all can take her with you. Wow, nice job, buddy. Heck yeah.
Looks awesome.
It does look great. Now Coco's over at the truck doing something, maybe getting some food items to put in it. Who knows what she's doing? Oh, lip gloss, yeah, because that's important. Whitney, we got any Vanias in there?
I don't see
Dang.
Any what?
Let me correct
Vanias.
myself. I don't know what those are.
You don't?
So,
You don't know delicate?
None of us do.
oh,
That's good
Yeah.
eating.
okay.
I
you're-
say it a
you're
little
saying
different. I say it a little different.
Okay, okay, I know it though.
Sorry, Ryan makes fun of me. I have to make it look like it's like.
Oh yeah,
a grocery
it's
store.
gonna look like a
These aren't
store when
really
she's
nothing.
done. You got more space in there now too,
I
Coco.
know,
It's so
awesome.
nice.
And I love the different size, like.
Yeah,
shelf
that was a smart
levels.
idea. Yeah.
I went to our pantry and measured our shelves. Yeah.
Did you?
He's good.
Yeah.
He's good. Like for real.
He's all right.
So we got some good stuff in here, and I think we will go make a trip and
Yeah, we got to fill
Put
this
some more
beautiful
stuff
thing
in
up now.
there.
But that looks
Absolutely.
amazing.
it's so pretty.
It is pretty
I mean,
and
just
clean and
beautifully
just,
done.
It's nice. Guys, thank y'all so very much, man. That was
Glad we
that
could
was
help.
y'all are the best, man. You really are.
Hugging.
All right, you gotta get in there.
Thank y'all so much. Seriously,
It-
this has been truly like. I know we keep saying the word blessing with the blessing boxes, but it's just blessing. It's
It
just
is.
over and over again. So it's awesome to meet y'all, and thank y'all just for your kindness and generosity.
Absolutely.
You are very welcome.
So
And since the guy stole our box and we don't have any Cruncho Vision, we're just gonna go to the landfill because I promised these guys some Cruncho Vision. I know y'all want it, so we're gonna go get some lunch, head to the landfill.
Let's do it.
What sweet people,
They're so
man. I mean,
nice.
to build that thing and drive 3 hours
just out of the goodness of their heart,
Wow.
they don't want a thing. They don't want to.
doing it to be nice. So.
Yeah, and my gosh, he's talented.
Yes.
That is a really nice blessing box.
Yeah, kidding. I think the least we can do is go down here to Blue Top and feed them some lunch and then
yeah.
head out to the landfill.
Sounds like a plan.
Look at that burger.
First bite.
Thank you.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot. I can't eat it just yet.
All right, I'm
It's
gonna
too
let
hot,
this
yeah.
go.
Now some trucks are rolling in, guys. So we brought our buddies out here to check out the landfill. We got Antonio down here, really tempting fate. He was down in that mud a while ago. I thought we were gonna have to go rescue him for a second there. But yeah, lull in the traffic, but now we got 4 trucks coming here. David's gonna get the Hyundai 160 fired up, get that magnet working, get some metal out for us. We got our buddy Daniel in the D6. And we were just talking about the John Deere that's coming, and the 850 with the landfill package should be here just about any day now. So that'll be exciting. Put that thing in here and see what it does. It's gotta do better than the Cat, so I'm hopeful about that at least. Is that the size
I've got a
truck?
Freightliner in
Do
it
you?
too, yeah.
Okay.
And our dumpster is lime green.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of rebranding.
Okay, well that's your truck right there then. Let's see what he's got today. Man, it's windy. Yeah, in the compactor boxes, we mainly just get like pallet material, packing waste, that type of stuff. But then in the open tops, you name it,
you never know what you're gonna get.
You never know. Hey, there's Mason a pair of shoes.
Like those.
That's a stocking stuffer.
Oh yeah.
Man, you find all kinds of stuff out here. You'd be surprised at what folks throw away. Well, y'all know, y'all are dumpster divers, so you know. How many blessing boxes you think you could build out of that?
A bunch.
A bunch. And we got the Volvos running, so they built them a haul road going down beside the side of the working face right here. Getting loaded up there, taking the material to the top and right back down into the cell they go. Now we got them coming in here. Oh yeah, there's tons, man. I'm pretty confident you could take and start a used lumber store just with the material that comes in here. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can feel all the vibration. All this, we're on about 60 foot of trash right now, so feels like an earthquake.
It does.
Yeah, the dozer does a really good job of keeping the tipping floor nice and level and clean. And then Antonio, of course, will take and just walk it in over there on the side slope, compact it in. So you say your next visit you're gonna run the 550? Is that what I heard you say right there? All right, we got you. Guys, appreciate y'all watching this video. Huge shout out to our new friends here for building our new blessing box and bringing it all the way down here to us. You guys have a Merry Christmas. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys.
Appreciate y'all.
And y'all have safe travels going back home, and we'll catch you on the next video.